I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing oils and scale because contaminants inhibit heat flow. Once clean, place the part on a ceramic or stainless fixture. Heat evenly, not rapidly. Rising at about 100 degrees C per hour reduces thermal shock. Make sure to monitor alloy grade so you can target 951,100 degrees C for austenitic stainless steels and adjust lower for martensitic types. Use a thermocouple in contact with the workpiece. Once temperature is stable, soak for the calculated time. You now hold temperature to let the microstructure transform. This softens the metal by reducing internal stresses. Once you reach soak, maintain it for the recommended minutes per thickness, longer for heavier sections, so grain boundary diffusion completes. Make sure to use an inert or low-oxygen atmosphere if possible, because oxidation hardens surfaces. Check thermocouples at multiple points. If one lags, adjust placement or heating elements to preserve uniformity. Slow, consistent actions produce predictable softness and dimensional stability. You complete the cycle by cooling slowly to avoid reintroducing stresses. Ramp down in furnace at about 150 degrees C per hour until near ambient. Once done, you can temper at 200-400 degrees C for 1 to 2 hours to adjust toughness and reduce brittleness. Make sure to perform hardness and dimensional checks to verify the desired softness. If hardness is too high, re-anneal with a longer soak or slower cool. If warping occurs, fixture and support next run to prevent distortion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.